guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica, and in this video I am going to be sharing with you guys a few of my favorite natural hair products. Welcome. If you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click on that bell, therefore you can be notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to thumbs up this video, you know, thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. All right, so I bet you already know what I'm gonna start with first, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it out the way. This is a must-have for naturals, and not just the red top one. The two, like, I know it's like a lot of them. I know it's a lot of eco salad gels out there, but my two favorite that my hair absolutely love is the red top one. I would say I would use this one more for when I'm putting my hair up in the sleek bun, high bun, whatever type of bun, or to sleek my edges. Sleek, slick. Lay. Let's use lay my edges down, honey. That's what I use for my baby hairs. I'll use the red top eco salad gel. It works, it holds, my edges won't look crusty and busted. This is really good. I will use the black top one. About to knock me out. I will use the black top one for my wash and goes, which I have now, of transitioning. So I had to kind of find what like my hair liked, but it was kind of hard because I was dealing with two different textures at that time. So once I chopped all my hair off and I started using Aussie, girl, your girl curls came out like this. Like, they came out popping. Not saying that once you use this your hair will come out like this. I'm just saying, like, this makes my hair soft. This makes my hair shiny. As you can see, it's moisturizing. It's Miracle Moist. So it's a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. I'm just saying, the white top one is the conditioner, the purple top one is the shampoo, and I love, my hair loves this stuff. Like, it drinks it up, it loves it. So I also use sometimes Pantene, but Aussie is my go-to. Like, when I'm doing a wash and go, even if I'm not doing a wash and go, like, these are my go-to shampoo and conditioner. I love this. All the Aussie products are amazing. Just to, like, I don't care too much for the ones that has like curls or curly. Everything that says curls and curly is not good for your curly hair. Not saying that it's not good, it just doesn't, it doesn't do anything for me. Like, I needed to say moisture. Like, just because it says curly don't mean I'm gonna have these like Goldilocks curls like once I use the product. But yeah, the curl products by Aussie I don't care for, but that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about the products that we like. So let's get back into the video. The next one is the Aussie Hair Insurance Leave-In Conditioner. Listen, empty. I literally have to buy another one. I use this for everything. Like, when I say everything, I use it to fix my buns, I use it for my sleek ponytails, I use it for everything. Like, this is the bomb.com. What I love most about it is that it's a leave-in conditioner, and it's a spray leave-in conditioner, because I don't like to use like a cream leave-in conditioner on, like, if I'm trying to fix up my bun or whatever and just keep it in place and fix it up. I don't like to use a cream conditioner for that. I like to just spray, brush it up, and keep it moving, honey. This is the bomb. I love this. Another one is for mostly like hair masks. This one is by Pantene. It smells so good. You're like, girl, hair smells so good with using this stuff. Like, if you use a hair mask, I'm telling you, your hair is gonna, like, your hair is gonna love you. So the hair masks, a few of them that I like to use is the Pantene in the gold little thingy. These are kind of hard to find. Go to Publix. They have it. Publix, and I didn't see it on Walmart the last time I checked, but I believe I got mine from Publix, so try Publix. Okay, so this one is the Garnier Fructis Soothing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask. This is the bomb because it's 3-in-1. You can use it as a hair mask, a conditioner, or a leave-in conditioner. I actually never left it in as a leave-in conditioner, but I did use it for when I flat out my hair. I used this overnight. Like, I washed my hair that Friday, and then that Saturday morning I got up and I left it in my hair all night Friday night, overnight. Went to sleep, got up, washed it out, and then that's when I flat out my hair. And this, can I hold it? This stuff is bomb. Like, it's like it, and it smells so good. But I get like a good 2 uses out of this. I used this like twice. Edge Booster Edge Control, which is the bomb.com. Am I showing it right? Boom, there we go. This is the bomb.com. They all smell so good. I think this is strawberry, if I'm not mistaken. Why does it matter right now? Because it's not like you guys can smell it, right? But anyway, they have different scents and they all smell just like whatever it says it smells like. It smells so good. So now the only thing I can say about this edge control, as a, like, even if you relax, it doesn't matter on your edges or whenever you use it. If you use it like twice, it's gonna start turning white. So this is good for, like, with me, I lay my baby hairs every morning. Like, I won't tie them down and try to re-wear them the next day because it's not gonna happen. By the time I take a shower, they're gonna like curl up, so I have to lay them down daily. So I have no problem with this stuff because it'll turn white, but I just put oil on top of it. But if you're using it all over your head and trying to apply more on top of more on top of more, it's gonna start turning white and you don't want that. But yeah, I can say if your hair is like super curly or if you have really coarse hair, this is gonna lay your edges down and they're not going nowhere. They're not going nowhere. So yeah, this is bomb. Also, they came out with I'm always late to the game on everything, but they also came out with I have makeup on this. Is that makeup? Might be another hair product. They also came out with a gel, and this, like, this green one, I might have to get the green one in the edge control because this stuff smells so good. It really